Good morning, and look at the hands. You always gotta do the hands in the intro. Good morning. It is approximately 6:40 right now, and this is the MoYak trail event number two. And look, looks like we got everything, right? Net, graph, blah blah blah, rod, seat. I'm sure you guys see all that. I forgot my paddle. Didn't bring my paddle. So my great uncle ran up and got some kind of paddle, whether it's a paddleboard paddle or a kayak paddle, I don't know. But I'm about to find out. Got the paddle. It's a paddleboard paddle. Paddleboard paddle. Better than not having a paddle. Yeah, paddleboard paddle. I may or may not stand up every time I move today. I doubt it. Tomorrow I'm going in the canoe, so it might just be practice for paddling a canoe. But gotta adjust the graph first. There we go. But yeah, so let's get into it. So I can't get downhill from here, you know, unless I forgot to put the plug in my kayak, which I think I did. I hope I did. You can always hope. There's always hope, okay? Except you don't have hope, you're a sad person. So yeah, there we go. I forgot to get it on camera, and it's probably a little blurry because of the rain, but the first one, 15 1/4, almost 15 1/2. Sorry I didn't get on video, but here we go. Okay, now I'll keep the camera rolling. I know I actually catch fish. Okay, so here we go. That one was out in the middle. That was and it was barely, I mean barely hooked. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But my braid deleter held up. That feels pretty nice. Be happy about that. So there's a ball of shad there with tons of fish in it. The cast behind me for that one. There's a is coming around the corner. There is tons of bait back here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's because of that waterfall, I'm pretty sure, over there. Got him. I don't think he's any big. Just a buck male, okay. Well, you're not gonna keep, so see you, bud. I can get you unhooked here. Yep. Okay, see you, bud. So yeah, that's fish number 2. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I let the actual fish number 2 go by accident. Like, I completely meant to let him go. It was just I was fishing my last couple tournaments have been boat tournaments, and minimum length on Tablerock on a boat, not on a boat, just a minimum length on Tablerock to keep is 15. So I was like, oh, 10-incher? No sense in keeping that. That's not even close to 15. Might not even, not worth even trying to get a touch. But yeah, so fish number 2, not bad. 14.5. Just missed one, so I decided to turn the camera on in case I get another hit from that same fish. Ooh, Cinco fishing is fickle. They're sometimes 8 pounds, and sometimes an 1/8 of a pound. That is a small fish. Just realized how small that was. But yeah, so just missed one. This is like right after I just caught that 14.5, by the way. Fish blowing up behind me. But why am I on my? Okay, there we go. My turn side image on. I don't know though. Side imaging on this graph like half the time doesn't want to work. Especially when I try combos. Well, you guys see that? How it's like multiple things? When I like, well, I can set it. I'm like, okay, so I want clear view, down imaging, and map. Okay, they'll give me it. But when I try that with side imaging, it's like, I don't think so, sir. Sorry. I'm side imaging. I don't really like that. So I don't know how to fix that. Just missed one. Huh, look at that, look at that. I missed one. Hook got hooked into the Cinco. Okay guys, this is it. About to get one, about to catch that one I just missed. Hopefully. Can hope. Hope you'll bite again. Here we go again. I'm gonna boat flip this one maybe. No. We're not, no matter how big they are, I don't want to break my line. There we go. That guy ate it. That guy really ate it. You didn't get the hook down deep in you, did you? Oh, but we might need the pliers. Got it. Ooh, got it. Okay. There we go. Okay, so time to measure this big boy. Okay, got this bad boy measured. Okay, see you, bud. Got another one. What's up, bud? He hit it on the way in. You kind of look like a mean mouth. The red eyes and everything. Got the, I'm gonna run my kayak into the dock kind of thing. Give me 1 second, small dude. There we go. I think this is fish number 4, I think. Look at that. I love doing the stuff. Love that. Look at that, got me another Kentucky, 5th fish of the day, even though I let my, you know my second one. Okay, so watch this, ready? This is so cool. I love doing that, that's so awesome. Yeah, sorry guys, I can't show too much because, oh, look at that water spot, there you go. Now you guys can see. I have like 10 minutes left on my camera because my SD card only holds an hour. It used to hold 2 hours, I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, so, see you guys in the next fish. So that was the video. I mean, wasn't the best, wasn't the worst. Didn't get that much fish catching. Only got 1 cast to catch. What else? Saw more fish than the last video. I finished out middle of the pack again. I think 59th place or something out of 110. I want to say 110. Yeah, I mean, it's a video. I caught him on. What did I catch him on? Cinco on the Kayak, just a green pumpkin Cinco, and a Pro Blue Red Pearl Kayak. That was every other fish except the last one was caught on that. Really need to get a bigger SD card for the GoPro. But let's talk about next tournament. What's happening next tournament? That's Saturday, the 7th, I want to say. Yeah, it should be the 7th because last Saturday was the 1st. Then this one I'm going to be throwing. I know I'm giving out all my secrets a couple days before the tournament. I don't think any MoYak guys are going to be watching this, but I hope they will. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, so I'm going to be throwing that. A 200 S waiver, light trout. I had some followers on Tablerock on it, which was pretty cool on Saturday. Pretty excited about that. It was like a freaking 4-pound smallmouth coming up behind it and swiped at it. So me throwing that. Oh, I forgot to tell you. The next tournament's at Lake the Ozarks. I don't think I said that. I might have said that. I don't know. What else? We're throwing the. What is this? See if I can get any closer to the camera. It's a mag draft. It's a 6-inch mag draft. It's in. I can't remember. I don't know what color this is called. It's just chartreuse in yellow. I mean white. Chartreuse in white. 6-inch. Throwing that on Mojo. I think this Mojo is overrated. Not overrated as in it's a good rod. It's an okay rod. Overrated as in it's like, it says medium heavy, but it's more like a heavy action. I throw Alabama rigs and crab on it. It's my smaller glide baits, obviously. Medium swim baits. Not medium small swim baits. What else are we throwing? That top water. I don't want to. I might have to pick up a Kayak, so I think I'll be throwing a jerkbait. Where are they? Where are my jerkbaits? Over here. I'll probably be throwing. I'll pull the jerkbait out. There's that sucker. I'll be throwing these. One is. They're both Smithwicks. Rogues, but this one is what's it called? Fire Tiger. It's called Fire Tiger. And I don't know what this one is. My grandpa did something to it and it looks cool. Looks okay for muddy water, so I'm throwing it. But yeah, where are we throwing? Glide baits, obviously bring jig. Maybe I really don't want to throw the Kayak, but I might try it. Spinner bait. Their spinner bait. If I pick up chartreuse and white spinner bait, probably just pick up that son of a gun. But, oh, there was a spinner bait. Yeah, that's probably what I'll be throwing. You guys will obviously see what I'm throwing. Oh, one more thing. This son of a gun. Bait Sandy Antidote. If I can get that. Yeah, I'll probably be throwing this son of a gun. See how it's like. I'll probably grab it up here. It's like crawfish pattern. Go like, go whoosh, whoosh. I love doing that. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably throw that. I think that's it. That's probably it. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Last video right now has like 30 something views compared to my previous video, which has like 300. Most of the videos ever got, and it's on Lake Springfield. But yeah, so I'm sorry this video probably wasn't good at all. I appreciate you guys watching it though. Sorry for the rain, which I can't control the weather, but yeah, thanks for watching the video.